Step 1. Go to work at the grocery store. Step 2. Talk to your boss. Good morning, office. Clean the top of the fridge, gentlemen. Okie dokie. Step 3. Climb on top of the fridge. Wow! These things are dusty and so loud. Step 4. Wonder if there is a secret hideout behind the fridge. Step 5. Use your phone to peek behind. Step 6. You lean too far forward. Step 7. You are stuck upside down. You can't shift your body. Step 8. Yell for help. Help me. Help. The fridge is too loud. No one can hear you.